and let's open what is inside. Oh, here. Actually, dalawa yan. Here. So cute. So let's open. I bought this last May 2, Mother's Day promo. So here it is. I buy the necklace. It's a necklace. Open this. It's so cute. Love it. And this is the partner. A heart also. So, nasa park tayo today. Tasin na natin. Ma-open eh. Yan. So here, it's a magtapon. Heart also. Partner with this. So, gonna wear it. Charan! So, deserve ko naman gumastos ng ganito. Oops. Ang aking headset. Remove ko muna. Here. Ganun. So, yan. Ang necklace and earring. So, tatabi natin ito. Pandora! Collection ko to kasi actually. Kung may gold sana dito eh. Gold talaga pipilin ko eh. Investment na din. So, here it is. My love bangle. It's so cute. I love it. This one is free nila. Naka-promo sila noon last time. Kaya ako napabili. Dahil makukuha mo to free kapag naka $150 purchase ka. So, sinira na natin yung plastic talaga. Hirap kasi tanggalin. So, how to open this? This here. Open natin dito. Yay! Ang cute. So, Salt na natin. Yan. Hirap pa. It's a flower theme. And this one is heart. Naka-promo din to eh. Diba? talaga naman ng plastic na to. Yay! It's a heart bangle. Dito naman sa right side, sa aking right hand. Yay! Diba? Last gastos ko na to. Kasi dami ko ng collection. So, tipid-tipid tayo. Yay! Flower in a heart. This one is necklace. Look. Wag ka. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!